All right, we're gonna give it a go. Starting up. Something I don't like. All right, we're gonna give it a shot at starting it up. Let's see what happens here. We're gonna go around, just make sure there's not any fuel leaks. That's my number one concern. Fuel leaks, I don't see any. Smell anything. Let's pause and see if we have anything. All right, let's try number 3. Not quite. Try number 4. I think that's just the exhaust. Definitely running rough, like it has a vacuum leak. Spark plugs out, see if it's definitely running rough. I feel like it's this number 1 cylinder. Just want to pull it out. Don't run any worse. We're gonna start troubleshooting that. All right, I think I know what it is. Thank goodness. Didn't have this number 1 injector plugged in. So I would say it ran pretty top notch for only having 3 of 4 cylinders. So let's go start it up again. Always forget something. Ah, better. I remember smoke like this whenever I put this header on, just burn off some of that anti-seize. Alright, we're going to watch our coolant levels and go from there. Alright, a couple things I noticed is still a good amount of blow by without surprise. Just kick this off. There's a lot more blow by than I expected. You got check engine light too that's on. So we're gonna do a quick scan and see what it is. I'll tell you what it is. Alright, so that code was a NOx sensor. Which it could be the sensor's not plugged in, or could be I broke it or messed up the wiring harness. We'll troubleshoot it and may have to just buy another one. It's bright. So I think the knock sensor was a little loose. So we're gonna give it another drive around and see what happens. Room out here to really even get going fast. Successful. All right, I'm going to take it out just a little ways down the road. Get some different RPM levels on it here. Honestly, in the lower RPM, I don't feel all that much better, but back and just get it broken in when I have more time. Overall, pretty successful startup in my opinion, so I'm happy with it. So quick update here, I've got 273 miles on the new engine. Everything's been running pretty good. One thing I'm a little bit concerned about is the amount of crankcase pressure I have, but I have a theory what it could be. Let me show you like. I think that might have to be to do with the EGR delete kit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reinstall the tube over here. Here it is. Reinstall this back on and see if the pressure goes away. I can't remember when that started happening or if it's always been that way. Hit me up in the comments if you have similar crankcase pressure coming out your oil cap with the engine idling like that. I'm more interested if it's always been like that or if that's normal. Anyway, thanks, appreciate it.